here. I know it's like 10:26 in the morning, but I waited. I studied a lot for cat coats because not only am I doing warrior cats on this cat mannequin app, I'll also be doing Undertale cats because Undertale's a nice fandom. I like it. I will not be doing the characters by their looks. I will be doing personalities. I'll be doing Frisk. I'm gonna read all the stuff. Black cats are antisocial, stubborn, sensitive, and shy. Brown cats are smart, friendly, and playful. Gray cats are sophisticated and like wild acting. White cats are gentle, loving, affectionate, and lazy. Orange cats are goofy, funny, and friendly. I won't be able to do orange cats because, oh boy, we remember how that went. Bicolored cats like black and white cats or gray and white cats are wild, clever, and affectionate. And calicos, aka Frisk, are loving, lively, and determined. I decided to make Frisk a calico because of all that. It fills you with determination stuff from Undertale. I wouldn't say Frisk's hair is kind of long or thin either, so I'll be choosing a normal cat for this. I really don't want this coat. I want calico coat. Also, this will be what I use for orange fur now, so unless I'm actually doing a bangle, I'll do that too. Okay, a calico, I'm gonna zoom that out. The platform I'd like to change a little bit, like a ruins floor area, like a ruins kind of type. I like this background, or maybe at least this one. This one's cool. I like this one. I am probably going to do like, hold on. Yeah, I'm not gonna turn my volume up. I'm going to probably make running. I want specifically side view like this. Actually, nah, I'll do a front view basically. That's cute. I like that one. Kind of getting ready to run, springing. I'm gonna show all the joints. I'm gonna close up the mouth. I'm gonna see if I can close up the eyes a little. Just looks like an angry kitty. And now, okay, the eyes are closed on the calico. I might I might pick the ears up a little bit more. I'm gonna check out how it's going on the front, from the front view, because I'm gonna put her on the front view. Sorry if if you hear my dad starting to talk. He usually wakes up this kind of time. I'll put the head here a little, kind of like determined, because we're doing that. Don't show joints. And I think this is good. So yeah, we've got my Frisk cat. fine.